In this video, I will show you how I joined Defuny network for free and make $100 on Defuny network, and how you can do same and get results. Also in this video, I will show you how to convert your earning Defuny token to USD and withdraw it to your wallet, preferably MetaMask Wallet. If this kind of content interests you, then follow me till the end of this video, as I will drop an important link for you on defuny.io. Okay guys, to make money on Defuny network, you need to inject USDT into any of the liquidity pool of your choice. On the app, you will see available various liquidity such as BTC liquidity, Ethereum liquidity, BNB liquidity, and so on and so forth, and even Dutch liquidity and Solano liquidity to invest in and make yourself money daily, just like this on my dashboard. There are rewards that comes along various liquidity that you invest on. I will advise you start with the lowest, which is the BTC liquidity of 25 USD, and you will earn your daily money up to 1 USD daily, and also a 0.1 Defuny token for 365 days. This is not all. You can also earn yourself 30 USDT monthly salary and 100 USDT for inviting friends who can inject in any of this liquidity as an investment, and they earn money every day. The salary you earn is for 12 calendar months, meaning you can earn yourself 30 USDT, 100 USDT, 300 USDT, 300 USDT, 500 USDT, 1000 USDT, 30,000 USDT, and so on and so forth as a monthly salary every month. Yes, every calendar month. But now, how do I join Defuny network without using my hard-earned money? Before I continue, I realize you have not subscribed to this channel. Please help this channel grow by subscribing and liking the video. And if you like this kind of content, then turn on the notification bell, as YouTube will notify you whenever I produce amazing content just like this. Thank you. On how I joined Defuny network for free. I have more than 40 free crypto coin airdrop projects that I mine. Some are already on mainnet, while some are still on advanced stage. What I did was to swap some of the token from those airdrops and use it to inject into the 25 USD BTC liquidity pool that earned me, and now I have made tons of return and still making, so you too can do same and inject your preferred liquidity. How to inject? To inject into the Defuny network, you go to the second menu, see all the list of liquidity, BTC, Ethereum, BNB, and so on. You click on inject and inject the said amount into the project, and you start making money through it. Also, I have the link in the description that will help you to inject your money. Link is benefit to get on the BTC liquidity of 25 USD and how to convert your BNB to USD. Also in the link in the description is how to inject and start making money on the Defuny network, how to set up your MetaMask wallet, how you can log into your account, and a contact for guide and free support is also available from that same link. Now, to make money, how do you earn? Firstly, if you log into your account, you click on the Defuny logo at the top of the app. If you click on it, you will earn yourself a 0.1 Defuny token, which will be credited directly into your account. You can swap and withdraw it. You also go to your profile where you will see the amount you are having. Currently in this account, I'm having 4.40 USDT and a 0.10 Defuny token, the one I just claimed for login and reward. You go to this, you tap on the second menu and click on my Liquidity and just press start. The app will load up to 100%, and after the 100%, you tap on one click to get. This will reward you with your earning of the day, work complete, and you can go back to your profile to see your earnings. Right now I'm having 5.1 or 5.1565, which I can withdraw into my account. But before withdrawing, wait, you go to Flash Exchange where you can exchange all your Defuny coin and convert it to USD, which I will do right now. My total earning is 47000. This is successful. Now my balance on Defuny wallet is 0 and my USD is now this, which I can now withdraw into my wallet. And what I have to do is to click on withdraw, and the minimum withdrawal on this platform is $3, which you can withdraw daily, and it says withdrawal once a day. The minimum withdrawal amount is 3 USDT. The withdrawal fee is based on the team level, which I also discussed in the link description. Right now I want to withdraw just 5 USD, so I will change this to 5 and type on my password, which is 6 digits, and tap on sure. Withdrawal successful. If I go to my wallet, you will see that I'm having $5.2 and in my USD account is 7.19, which after 30 seconds this will be credited. So let's wait. As you can see, my balance here is said you receive 4.6 Ethereum. Tap on this. My balance on the Defuny network platform is now 0.1565, which was before 5.1565. So now let's go to my wallet to confirm. As you can see on my wallet, which was 7.2 something before, I'm now having a total of 11.81 USD on my USDT account, and that's how you withdraw. So to fund your wallet, use the link and guide on the description, as I also drop my WhatsApp if you need personal guide or support in completing your registration with Defuny network. And okay, if you want to be notified on my next video on new free crypto coin project to make you money, then subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, as you will be notified, as you will be one of the first to get notification. Thanks for watching.